Audi is taking a bold step into the future of manufacturing by introducing humanoid robotic hands into its production environment through a collaboration with Mimic Robotics. Instead of replacing entire assembly teams with full humanoid robots, the company is focusing on one of the most important tools in any factory, the human hand. That decision alone says a lot about where automotive production is heading. Inside Audi's facilities, these advanced robotic hands are being tested on tasks that have traditionally been difficult to automate. Installing flexible components, such as rubber seals around doors, may sound simple, but anyone who has worked on a car knows how much precision and feel is required. The material bends, shifts, and reacts differently depending on pressure and alignment. Conventional industrial robots struggle with this level of adaptability. That is where Mimic Robotics comes in. The system relies on artificial intelligence models that translate visual input directly into motion. Cameras observe the environment, and the software converts what it sees into coordinated hand movements. Rather than programming every single step in advance, the robots learn through demonstration. A human shows the task, and the system refines its technique over time. It is a shift away from rigid automation towards something that feels more organic and responsive. For Audi, this is not just a technology showcase. It is a practical attempt to solve bottlenecks on the assembly line. Certain finishing tasks require dexterity and consistency, and they can slow down production if they depend entirely on manual labor. By deploying humanoid-style robotic hands, Audi is blending the precision of machines with the flexibility of human movement. There is also a bigger picture here. The automotive industry is under pressure to increase efficiency while maintaining quality. Electrification, digitalization, and complex vehicle architectures are adding layers of difficulty to manufacturing. Intelligent robotic hands capable of adapting in real time could help bridge that gap. What makes this development exciting is not just the technology, but the philosophy behind it. Instead of building a robot that looks human for the sake of appearance, Audi is targeting the specific capability that matters most in production: dexterous manipulation. It is a focused, realistic approach that may quietly reshape how vehicles are assembled in the years ahead.